Good day, everyone. Welcome to this lesson where we are going to look at the real chart formations of some of the charts that we discussed. So we are going to look for some of the familiar companies that we find on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. So this is a chart for Sanlam. So we want to look for something that we can look at as a double bottom formation. So let's just go back to Sanlam. Okay, so this is on the daily chart. We just want to see where we are able to find a double bottom. So here at this point, we can make a case for a double bottom because as you can see, the price went down to close to this level. So the price went down and tried to go up. Then when it reached this point, it went down again, but then it started moving up again. So this would qualify as a double bottom. Now we're just going to pick a tool that will help us to calculate. So here we're going to look at this intermediate candle and we are going to go all the way down to the line. And this gives us 7.76 or 477 points going downwards. So now we're going to do the same going upwards. So for a start, maybe let's put a line at this point here. So we are saying this is the breaking point where we're expecting the price to move upwards. And we're expecting that it's going to move upwards by the magnitude of going down here. So we're going to draw and measure 477. So just about somewhere there. So I just want to move this here so it can be a bit clearer. So here we can see that price broke the line that has been made by the intermediate high between the double bottoms. Then we are saying the price should come to this point. So here we can see that price reached the target. After it reached the target, it sort of stalled. Then it went up a bit more. Then it came down. So this is why I always say once the target is reached, then you must look at harvesting the profit, maybe 60 to 40%. After you harvest, then price goes up. Then here, by the time it makes this formation, which is sort of an evening star, and then followed by a shooting star, then you can say, okay, I'm taking the rest of my profits. Then the price comes down nicely going that way. So this is the double bottom. At the other end, we are looking for a double top formation. Let's just see where we can look for one. Just looking here, you can make a case for another double bottom again. So let's see if we can find a double top. So here I can see that there is a case for a double top. Price rallied to the top. It reached this point, then it went down a bit, then it moved back up again, then it formed a shooting star, and then it managed to come down nicely. So here we can make a case for a double bottom. So we can say this is the line that we are looking at as the breaking point or the entry point, because if you are looking at a double top, you're probably looking to trade it down. Or perhaps if you are long, then you're looking to come out as soon as you see that this is a double top formation. So like the previous one, we need to measure the distance from this point here going up to the intermediate high. So that is the point which we say if broken, we are expecting that price is going to move up to that level. So if we are going to come back and start from here going down, we are looking at 337 points. So there we have 336 points. So we are saying this is the target price that you are hoping the price would reach. So in this case, you can see that price moved, which is about 5%, it moved down. As soon as it reached the target, then it's sort of stalled. You can see a price going up and down, up and down, up and down. There was no clear resolution until the price moved downwards. So here you can see that the target that we had set managed to work nicely and price managed to hold just at that point where we are expecting to take the profit. So by this time, you should be able to take maybe 60% of the profit. When you see that price is not resolving, you can maybe take the rest of the profit. But if you wait a bit, you can see it come down nicely, but you would need a lot of resolve to navigate through all those about 7 days where price is not going down further but threatening to go up. So this is all for this lesson where we looked at the double top and double bottom. We'll open up more charts and look for other trade informations on the chart. Thank you.